We filming? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I guess it's been ages, I know. Yeah, I just couldn't do everything all together. And life had happened as well. But yeah, I think I have to reintroduce myself. I'm Kenny. I love bags. I still love bags. I'm not as obsessed as I was when I started collecting it. But every now and then there are bags that come into the radar, and I'm still very much aware, okay, like fashion wise, style wise, of what's happening around us. But today I've got two bags that I have added into the collection. If you're interested, I'd like for you to consider subscribing to the channel and stick around for the reveal, for the unveiling of the two bags that I got. But yeah, for anyone who's just stumbled upon the channel, I'd like for you to consider subscribing to the channel by hitting that subscribe button and the bell button to notify all the videos that I do make. Oh my god, that's like second nature. I still know the spiel. Wow. All right. But yeah, welcome guys. How have you guys been? I'm still here. I'm still alive. I'm still grateful. But yeah. So, if you haven't caught on with the newest Celine runway by the debut collection by Michael Rida, they reintroduced the Celine Phantom, or the luggage line, but completely revamped. So when I saw this, I instantly, it the nostalgia vibes that this had gotten me. I remember posting this particular photo on my Instagram in 2014. And fast forward 11 years later, this bag comes back. So I'm like, oh my god, how could I not add this bag into my collection before? So went on a hunt. So I got two like Celine Phantoms right over here. First one is this crinkled, does it show? It's a patent leather crinkled effect leather black Celine Phantom. Quite like it because I feel like patent leather doesn't have a good reputation in terms of retail value and all of that jazz. But for this particular bag, I think because it's patent, it has some structure to it, so I think it helped this bag keep its structure quite well. And with most like Celine luggages or Celine Phantoms that I've seen online, all across like eBay, Fashion File, The Real Real, and all other pre-love websites, a lot of the bags that I see, unless it's like in pristine condition, a lot of them have lost their structure and they're like flopping out. But with this one, and I got it for such a good price though. Yeah. And because this is making a comeback, maybe at the moment the prices are still not as bad, but if you wanted to add this, I think this is a perfect time to do it now. Take it as a sign. But yeah, I love it. It's just that I think with all like handheld like leather bags, this can get quite heavy. Just for FYI, I did use this already when I went out to the city, but I'm here for the nostalgia vibes, and it's just fulfilling that millennial dream. I just remember when I came here in Australia, this was still the it bag at the moment, but this is not the priority at the time. I just kept going into the David Jones department store. They have their Celine store in there, but I just don't have the price. I'm not even remotely thinking of getting it because I'm just new. I just started my life in Australia, so it just feels good to like to have this in my collection, and thinking about the life that I had in the Philippines and then coming back here in Australia, completely different. I did a real 180 on it. But yeah, it just feels good. Wow, we went deep in there, didn't we? But yeah, it's just a big black hole. A Mary Poppins vibe. Mary Poppins bag, if you will. It has a slip pocket over here. And then the lining also is leather, so take that into consideration. It also has these straps where you can cinch the bag in and make it, yeah, tuck it in, like the wings usually come out, but you can tuck the wings in if you don't maybe carry too much, and you know, make the bag a bit more secure as well. So that is how it looks like when the wings are tucked in. So there, and I've got another one. Because I'm so obsessed, I have to get this. And you know, my navy obsession, I have to pick this up. This is in the canvas with a striped navy pattern. The handles are leather, but the lining also is canvas. So I think I save a bit of the weight carrying this bag around. I've also used this when I went out to the city the other day, and it was quite heavy because I carried quite a bit in it. Obviously, I think it helps that, you know, you've got a bag organizer, just so not everything is jumbled up or shuffled together. It also comes with this cinching here, and it also has that slip pocket at the back. I got this from Vestiaire. This one is in pristine condition. Looks like it has been barely used, and I think yeah, I jazzed it up with a scarf and my Yayoi Kusama charm there. So, you know, as they say, the Celine luggage line or the Celine Phantom looks like with a robot face, but with a very flat smile. But now I think they made it a little bit more quirky and, you know, popped that smiley on the zipper, which I think was quite a good touch. It's very unserious to me. So yeah, like most things with fashion, you have to have some humor around it, you know, not make it too serious, if that makes sense. Yeah, I'm very pleased with this edition. I am still on the lookout with another Celine Phantom. That was my kind of pièce de résistance, if you would want to call this. It's like an olive canvas with the leather handle, but yeah, I'm still on the lookout for that. It looks like a unicorn piece that, you know, it doesn't come around that much. So yeah, I'm not like I am. I've made an alert on my eBay for that canvas bag, but I'm enjoying carrying this at the moment, especially we're gearing towards springtime back in the southern hemisphere. So this canvas bag would be, I think, a good spring bag, I would say. So yeah, it's just, I wish there is a shoulder strap with this, but yeah, you know, you can put it across the crook of your arm like that to give your hands some break. So when I carry this, I always like, oh, it's so heavy, I put it on the other hand. If not, I put it on the crook of the arm, because it can get quite heavy. So, you know, I love the bag overall. Yeah, I'm glad that it's making a comeback. If it does, good. If not, that's fine. You know, I'm not one to like hop into trends all the time. But if there's a trend that, you know, speaks to me, speaks to my aesthetic or lifestyle or fashion, I'm gonna jump onto it. So that's the video today, guys. A very quick one, just wanna do it. So yeah, I wish you guys are keeping well and you've enjoyed this video. I wanted to do like a what's in my bag, but not today. I'm running a lot of errands today, so I'm not gonna say it. I'm gonna do it when I could. No pressure. So yeah, yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.